Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in for another Market Outlook by Exness. My name is Stanislav Bernukhov, Senior Trading Content Specialist here at Exness, and in today's video we are going to be checking on a possible trading idea for the week ahead, the narratives behind this idea, and which economic data could potentially affect this trade. But before we proceed, let's check on the performance of the last week's idea. So the idea was a short for Bitcoin with a target price of around $80,000. The idea was partially correct, as the price is located below the suggested entry point and the logic of the idea is still intact. So the target may be reached later this or next week. For this week we are monitoring for the idea of a long position for silver with a potential target of $60. The price moves in a strong rally started during the previous week and extending on Monday. Silver now leads the metals group and it's a thinner market than gold, so it's more furious and volatile. The rotation from gold to silver is the main trend of the last week. The price jumps above the 20-day moving average for almost $8, which is 4 times greater than the average daily volatility, which may show either a short squeeze or a longer-term price discovery when the market is searching for the new equilibrium. The latter looks like a more realistic scenario as silver held its gains throughout Monday's US session and throughout the London session on Tuesday. For a trader, that's an opportunity for a short-term momentum trade. If the price would show a clear continuation chart pattern and would break it to the upside, that would be the least risky point to enter a trade. What is the narrative behind this idea? Inventories at Shanghai Futures Exchange linked warehouses are near a 10-year low and 1-month copper borrowing costs remain high. Shortage in the global markets create perfect conditions for a rally and fast-paced breakouts. As gold loses momentum, silver gets in focus of investors as the next big idea. Silver ETFs show substantial inflows, so do silver call options. The situation might overheat soon, but before that happens, it's likely to establish the new peak soon. Which economic data could potentially influence this trade? The main publication for the week is PCE index publication on Friday. Should inflation cool down, it may trigger profit-taking for the silver market. So in summary, the idea for this week is a long trade for silver with a potential target of $60. It moves in a strong bullish momentum and may initiate another short-term breakout on the way. PCE index publication on Friday may cool down or boost the rally. Remember, this is not a signal, it's just the idea for a trade. It's not a guarantee of success. Always do your own research and never forget to manage your risk.